Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Litecoin's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right around here and we had two very important messages. Number one, in Litecoin we are overall extremely bullish and there's a very high chance that the low of our correction in the midterm is actually right in here about $63.5. Number two, there is a chance that starting from here a correction may have started, and it might be in form of an A, B, C running flat. And that's why specifically in the previous update we said please consider the possibility of having a 1 2 3 4 5 wave down, and overall that is not going to be a bearish sign at all. In fact, it's part of the bullish scenario, and after this is over we are going to get a continuation of the uptrend. So what happened? We are getting a move on the downside, but I think we are now allowed to consider some other possibilities in here as well. First things first, if you still want to argue this is an ABC running flat, then okay, this can be the end of your C leg, and this might be a wave 1 correction for 2, and this can be like another 1 and a 2 but on a lower degree relative to this one, suggesting soon we're going to get a rather strong move down into wave 3 and 4 and 5. So again, if in the next 24 to about 48 hours we see something like this in order to take this low, okay, that can be an important sign suggesting maybe this is actually playing out. But based on what we are having right in here in this phase, I do have now kind of my doubts. Why is that? Let's just delete the waves in here. Okay, so I think now we can kind of say that this is a 1 2 3 4 5 wave on the upside to about this point. Now back in the previous video we were right in here, and at that point this was just a 3-wave movement for us. But now the story is a bit different, and also here is another important sign. Let's go on 5-minute time frame. And by the way, in my own time, I promise you I don't usually go on such lower time frames. Okay, this is for the sake of educational purposes, so I'm thinking it's fine. So what are we having in this phase? I believe this is 1 2 3 4 5 up into a ABC down correction for wave B, and yet another 5 wave on the upside into our C leg. And what is going on in here? This might be, yes, another ABC down, or maybe a WXY, which did kind of get confirmed when in this move up we took this important high about $104. So what is it that I'm trying to say? I'm trying to tell you, because we are able to find an ABC down starting from the highest side and not an impulse, maybe the running flat scenario is not going to be in play. Instead, this might be, for example, like a simple ABC flat structure, and on a higher degree, we may have a 1 2 5 wave up, strong one into wave 3, correction for 4, and what are we going to have next? Probably another move into wave 5. Now, this move up by itself, if we are going to get it, can be an optimistic sign, do not get me wrong, but for me the move itself is not really that important. What really matters is actually what it implies, and if we get that, we need to at that point change some serious waves in here. And a spoiler alert, all the bullish counts in my opinion suggest at that point that this move in Litecoin is actually going to continue for quite some time. Okay, this is really the key. If we get another move up in LTC starting from the current point without having like a very strong move down, and in it we take this important high about $107, that is kind of going to be an extremely bullish sign, suggesting this move is going to continue for quite some time, and maybe this is just the beginning. So for now, all eyes on the current move and see what is going to happen next. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in LTC's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time with your family and loved ones. Goodbye.